Clean up space, remove hidden Windows files safely. Unlock free space, clearing Windows hidden junk files. Speed up your PC, hidden files removal made easy. Boost PC performance, delete useless files safely. Hidden junk files, free up disk space instantly. This guide walks you through the process of cleaning out hidden Windows folders, prefetch and temp, on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Over time, these folders accumulate unnecessary files, using valuable disk space. You can clear these safely without third-party tools. Begin with the prefetch folder by using the Windows Run dialog, Windows key +R, and typing prefetch. Delete all files except those in use, which Windows will protect. Next, address the personal temp folder. Again, access it via the Run dialog with %temp% and delete all non-locked files. Temporary files remain from failed installs or crashes. Finally, clean the system-wide temp folder using the Run dialog with %window%\temp, requiring admin permission to proceed. Select all, delete, and skip locked files. By clearing these three folders, you reclaim disk space and boost system performance without risk, as Windows regenerates any needed files.